Hi, my name is Mark McTeer. I'm Head of Science at Haileybury and I teach biology at Haileybury Pangea. Today we'll be doing an ELISA experiment with the Haileybury Pangea Biology students. They'll be coming in to have a look at the actual results for this experiment. I will talk them through step by step of what we're doing in the experiment, and then I will show the final product where they'll see the results as well. The ELISA experiment is one of the experiments that we do in biology, and for this particular experiment it helps build their knowledge towards our SAC3 and is a fantastic opportunity for students to see an experiment, go through it step by step and prepare them well for the SAC. Haileybury Pangea is fantastic for the biology students. We do lots of experiments throughout the year. They will be able to ask questions, they can type them in on the chat and I can respond to them one-on-one and to the whole class. So Haileybury Pangea is a fantastic opportunity for students to experience biology.